Hello art journal lovers! Today I will create a Halloween inspired spread with distress sprays and new Tim Holtz stamp sets. I have a bunch of Halloween tutorials in my channel because I love Halloween so much. If you are interested, don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell to stay tuned. There are more tutorials are coming soon. The full supply list is in description below this video as usual. Now I will show you one of my favorite ways to create quick and busy background with sprays and Reinkers. I'm spraying distress spray stains on my craft mat and scribbling a little bit of distress Reinker. Distress Reinkers are very concentrated and using them this way adds quick and easy depth to the background. I'm turning my journaling pages down and picking color directly from craft mat. I'm misting spray leftovers with water, spreading them around with my fingers and repeating the process. I'm spraying a little bit in the middle because I can pick color from mat. Looks messy, but this is exactly what I want. Then I'm spraying 2 colors of Distress Oxide spray and picking them same way. All color names are in description box below this video. When everything is dry, I'm adding some stenciling with Distress Paint and Tim Holtz stencil. Here I decided to pick some color from my page with water, spray and paper towel. Now I'm adding splatters with Distress Oxides and white Distress Stain. I have new Tim Holtz Stampers Anonymous Halloween stamps, which I want to use for background stamping. I'm stamping with Distress Archival black ink pad, and I'm not using any stamping tool because background stamping might be a little loose and it's okay. Then I'm outlining stamped images a little bit here and there with white gel pen. It will pop stamping up. I'm speeding this up because it's a very simple but long process. I decided to add some texture to the background with Tim Holtz Sizzix die set and Blackout Kraft-stock paper. I'm sticking Sizzix adhesive sheet on the back of the paper. I like to use these sheets when I'm cutting detailed or small designs. This is very convenient. Of course, you can skip it and glue designs down with any medium. I'm putting dies on the paper and running these through my Vagabond 2 cutting machine. Now I'm simply peeling the backside and sticking my die cuts on the page. I'm speeding up because I'm against simply outlining designs with white gel pen. For my focal point, I chose another Tim Holtz stamp set from Halloween collection. And at this time, I'm using stamping platform because I need this impression to be nice and crisp. I'm stamping with Archival ink pad because it's waterproof and I will use liquid mediums to color it. I'm also stamping on piece of ephemera from Tim Holtz Idea-Ology Halloween collection. I'm adding some extra lines with violet pen to make this piece more complete. For coloring my focal point, I chose one of the newest distress colors, Speckled Egg. I'm coloring leaves and stems with Distress Ink Speckled Egg Reinker, and I will combine Speckled Egg Distress Oxide Reinker with Distress Ink Reinker to color flowers. For coloring, I'm using Tim Holtz Detailer Water Brush and regular brush. After coloring with Distress Oxide, some blends became less visible. I'm fixing these outlining flowers with black pen. Here I'm adding highlights with Faber-Castell Big White pen. I'm speeding up the fossil cutting process. I just want to say that I will leave some space inside the design because it's very difficult to cut them out, and I will be better color them to background color later. I think this paper doll from Idea-Ology Halloween paper doll set will be good for this spread. Now I'm gluing my composition down with matte medium. When it's dry, I'm coloring all spaces which I don't cut later with Distress Spray Stain and Distress Ink Pad. I'm also outlining my focal points with black Faber-Castell Pit brush pen. Here I'm adding sentiment from Idea-Ology Halloween sticker book from 2020 collection. And the last thing I'm doing here, I'm scribbling black distress crayon around the edges and blending it with my finger to make my spread look more complete. This is all for today. Thank you for being with me. Hope you like this tutorial. If so, please give me thumbs up and subscribe if you are newbie here. I will be glad to answer to all your questions, so please do not hesitate to ask. See you soon and goodbye.